I am sick of getting grounded. Is there something I can do? I know. When everyone is asleep, I will pull the apartment's fire alarm, ha 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 ha, at midnight.
Okay, it's midnight now. Time to pull the fire alarm.
Oh no, who pulled the fire alarm? Oh no, it was Joseph. I am going to give him a big punishment. Oh, Joseph, how dare you pull the fire alarm? You have waken everyone up and you also jump scared people. That's freaking it. You are having an extreme punishment day.
No.
Your punishment, locking you in the bathroom forever.
Well, I have to starve to death then. 3 days later.
Oh nein, ist tot, muss ins Krankenhaus.
At the hospital. Yes, I am revived.
Okay, du musst bei einer anderen Familie leben, bis deine Eltern aus dem Gefängnis kommen.
I can't believe I ended up in jail.
I know. We should have did something else for our son.